All right.
Okay, so this guy is going to wind up feeding the charger, which gets mounted on the wall for the electric car. So we want to mount this right on a stud so it doesn't rip out of the wall if someone gets kind of aggressive with the cord. So we take our little magnet, we find where our studs are. Okay. Now we want our screws to be mounted right onto that stud. Well, that didn't do me any good. Right about there. Okay.
Mark, you're trying to get both those screws on the stud?
Yeah.
Cool.
Give us a little more stability.
Wow. That's accuracy.
Huh?
I say that's accuracy.
There you go. So let me see your little orange guy again. That's good. So now the only question is that level? Yep, perfect.
You don't screw it in all the way, so we can still
Move it around a little
move
bit.
it around.
Yep. So I just marked that one. I'm going to double check my level. I went this way with level. Now I'm going to go this way with level. And we'll see if we're still on track. Beautiful. Okay. This tip isn't magnetized.
Nah.
Give me some light straight on here. Oh, never mind. I have it on the end of the drill gun. Beautiful. Two more. And we're good to go. I guess we should be able to fish that. Okay, get a small piece of 12 or 14. We'll fish it up the